New Smyrna Beach, Venetian Bay. I want to show you a product here. It's actually a new product. Kind of reminds me of like a mother-in-law suite. Great for special needs, especially if you want mom and dad to move in with you. This is a very nice size home. I want to show you to the right here. This is one of two masters. We got a little area here to do some cooking or whatever, or prepare a little meal. One of the master rooms. I want to show you carpet to tile. Nice bath or shower. Double vanity. Water closet. Little cutouts here for a little decoration. Big walk-in closet also. And we're not even to the main part of the home yet. We have laundry directly through there. Little area here to prepare whatever you want. You can set out bills, whatever. Little desk area. Directly through the garage. Then I want you to check out this very open kitchen, which looks great. I like what they did with the ovens and the microwave. Nice hood. Nice backsplash here. Big tiles. I set on them offset. Then we're going to go into these other bedrooms. This is like a little closet. Bedroom 1. Queen size bed. 2. Queen size bed. Mechanicals through that door. Another bath with double vanity. And then water closet through there. So we've seen 2 bedrooms and a master so far. Huge, great room. We have a covered patio that looks out onto a little reserve. Really nice. Master that goes from tile to carpet. Big master. Large walk-in closet. And we'll spin around here. That goes out to the patio also. And then again we have carpet to tile. Garden tub. Nice tile work. Big vanity. Another big walk-in closet. Water closet. And then another big shower. I like how they're doing the tile work nowadays. All right, well, that's the end of the tour on this one. Check it out, let me know what you think.